right, here we go. Crypto market watch list. That is on the menu. This video, guys, I want to talk about a bearish looking opportunity, long-term bearish looking opportunity coming from the Litecoin. And today, I already talked about in one of the videos, the market overview video, I talked about the downside potential, long-term perspective, because some key level support areas got broken by the Bitcoin, by Solana, even the Litecoin having failed to break above 131.57, which we talked about for so long, right? That was supposed to be the last line of resort, last line of resistance that was defining this trading range that we've seen, that we've been witnessing in the Litecoin ever since mid 2022, 2.5 years, right? 2.5 years, Litecoin has been trading sideways. It's crazy, back and forth, 2.5 years, right? And it was supposed to break out of 131.57 to trigger a new bull market, right? For the Litecoin, potentially chasing the previous major high from July. You know, it was trading at, back then, it was trading at around 300 almost. But also all-time high, right? Coming from 400. So that was the upside potential if price action was going to be successful on the breakout of 131.57. Having said that, it wasn't successful. It failed once, it failed the second time, and it failed the third time last month, right? So this could very well be the beginning of a full-fledged downside reversal with some serious downside implications, because price action can go back to where it came from. We're talking about the level of 57, right? 57, that's more than 50% drop, more than 50% loss in value, so it's a big move. Here's what needs to happen, and price action seems to be at it right now. A break below 115.74 will trigger us into a short position, right? We need to make sure price action is going to be closing the daily session below 115.74. That is our trigger, and then we're in. Then we're going to need a weekly breakdown confirmation to get more confidence, increase our position size, and start chasing the next big support at 185, right? That's short to medium type of target we're talking about, 100.85. But later down the road, like I said at the beginning, long-term perspective, if this is the tipping point, if this is a major tipping point, as we suspect it might be, then the downside potential is far beyond 100. It's going to be 96.43 to begin with, and later down the road, like I said earlier, 57.10 is going to be our primary target and final destination. But we're not there yet. Still, this is pending trading opportunity on our watch list. We're going to have to stay close, keep our eyes on the Litecoin, especially in the next in the next 24 hours. We want to see where it's going to close the daily bar. It's going to give us some indication, because if it's going to fail like it did a few days ago and a few days before that, right? If that level is going to hold, price action is going to pull back off of that attempt to break 115.74, then that's actually a bullish looking sign, looking indication the pricing is going to come back upwards again. And that will trigger our short-term perspective, which is bullish right now on the market. All right, guys, so that's a very interesting case here with the Litecoin. We will come back to it, follow up, and keep you posted. In the meantime, I want to wish you a great trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.